Hello people, I'm going to make a grid spreading definition on Grasshopper today. So for doing that we need to drop down grid. Doesn't matter if it's square or rectangular, but you have more control on rectangular, not. Now we can go for now we can start with these numbers. 15 H. Okay. I'm trying to be tidy. So let's see. So we have this network of squares in here. We want to draw lines in this horizontally and vertically at the same time, but I want to have it in the same knot in here as our data set. So what we're going to do is to flip our matrix here. And before that, I'm going to explain it later. We need to simplify the whole thing, because for the interpolation part it will be confused if we don't do that. So this one, I'm gonna merge this node and this node, maybe this node. Let's see, drop down the pole line. We have a problem. Okay, to simplify this, because when we fill up this matrix we get the extra branch. So now if I turn this and this off and this, so we have the same setting, but if you look at the data set in here, we have separate look at the numbers in here. We have different groups of points. Now, because we have the same number in here, all of the groups have 16 points. But if we just go this a little bit more, so they're different now. They're 16 and 21. So we're good in here, this grid. We're going to spread some points as our attraction points. So what we are going to do is drop down bounding box, make sure that we flatten this and check union box. So we have the box in here. Drop down the populate 2D node in here. Turn this off. So we have 100 points in here. I will reduce it to 20. So 20 should suffice. Okay. So what we're going to do, we want to divide these curves in here. I'm going to make it 11 for now. You can boost it up later. But we want to find the closest point between these points and these points first in one layer. So we drop down the closest point. This one, this one, and we want to select the points which their distances are more than the value that I'm going to type in. So we have this scale in here, basically this scales number in here. So I'm going to type for now something like this. I think we should put down more. We should put a larger number in here later, but for now it's fine. Gonna drop down this dispatch node. So in dispatch node, we want to find that if we want to divide those points are in the radius of our interest or out of the radius of our interest. So in here, down in here, just connect this in here. I'm gonna make two separate node in here, just one in here, one in here. Gonna so what we have in here is get rid of this. Okay, maybe I should plug this in. Yes, sure. Yeah, we should plug this in because this is our main source of we want to manipulate these points in order to create our spread grid. So we have this, as you see, it's highlighted. This and this, and these are these are points that we are interested in. But what we're going to do, we want to we want to find from these points the ones that we don't want to keep. We want to have the closest one to our favorable ones, keep it as our margin basically. So, and want this to be flattened, so we don't need another group. We only need to we want to calculate basically all of these points within all of these points, all of these groups. So these are in groups of different numbers, 8, 9, 7, 6, but this should be flattened, so calculate all. So now I think we have everything we want to have. Then we want to replace these points with these points, the output B, and then interpolate again. So what we're going to do, call it replace item. Our main list is this one. This says item to replace with, and this thing is indices. That's right. To get our indices of each item we need to drop down index, item index. I think, yes. And these are our item of our list. You want to replace these things with these indices. And then we call pull line again. In here, turn this off, then you can see better. And then for apply some smoothing effect, we need to divide this once more. Seven, and then interpolate. You can turn this off, so you have your spread right, and you have numbers of random points in your hand to play with, and you can play with the radius of effect in here, and of course you can change your base grid in the first place as well. For getting this definition, you can check out my Patreon page. I will link it. I will put the link on the description. Thank you for watching.